Good morning, humanities students. So some of you may owe the Edpuzzle or Actively Learn. So I provided you the links on our humanities page. I'm also going to quick show you which ones you're doing. So as far as Edpuzzle goes, when you open it, it's called Silk Road. Let me go back. Um, That's no due date, due date. If you don't see it, click show all 10 and it's going to be right here. Okay, so 13 out of 49 for all three cohorts, 2, 3, and 4. So it looks like some people owe, so make sure you double check that PDF where your grades are on your humanities page. Remember, you just click on it and start play. And it'll pause and you'll answer questions. And then at the end, make sure, blocked on me. All right, so you won't be able to skip. But at the end, there'll be something that says submit, so make sure you submit. When you click on actively learn, when you go to sign in, please don't forget to use Clever. You're not using email and password, you're using Clever. So you click on Clever, you're going to click on the lock, and then you're going to type in your username, which is your student ID number or your lunch ID number. For me, though, this is my username, and then your password, capital S, lowercase p, and your 6-digit birthday. Same as when you sign into your computer is how you sign into Clever. Okay? And once you're in, give it a second while it loads. Okay, so these are all my classes. All right. So I'm going to click on cohort 4. You're looking for the spread of Islam and Buddhism through Southeast Asia. Okay. So I have 8 ungraded, which tells me some folks haven't done it yet. So I'm looking here. I can see there's a lot of blank spaces and some people are not finished. So please make sure you go back in and you finish or you complete it. So the Edpuzzle and the Actively Learn was one class assignment, so please make sure you do it. Remember, it's just as you read, there's going to be answers. You're going to choose the answer and then move on through the reading. Okay? All right, I hope that helps. I'm going to exit out all of this and end. Have a great day.